information. Today I'm going to be reading Today I Will Fly. Read this book because it's awesome, guys. This piggy really wants to fly. Let's see if he really does it. Today I'll fly. Today I'll fly. No, you will not fly today. You will not fly tomorrow. You will not fly next week. You will never fly. I will try. Goodbye. You will not fly. She will not fly. Fly, 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 fly. Fly, 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 fly. You need help. Thank you, I do need help. I'll get help. Woof, woof, woof. Woof, woof, woof. I did it. I flew. Thank you for your help. You did not fly. I did not fly. You jumped. I jumped. It was a big jump. Yes, it was a big jump, but you did not fly. I will try again. I will eat lunch. Goodbye. Fly, fly, fly. Oof. You need help? I do need help. Will you help me? I will. I will help you. Thank you. Hello. Hello. You are flying. You are flying today. My friend can fly. She can fly. I'm not flying. You're not flying. I'm getting help. Thank you for your help. Tomorrow I will fly. Good luck.
So what'd you think of the book, Dean?
The piggy wanted to fly. His friend the elephant didn't want to fly.
No, I don't think he didn't want him to. I think the elephant thought that he couldn't fly, right?
Yeah, and then the piggy got some help. Inspired the elephant to believe in him.
That's right. He inspired the elephant because now the elephant wants to fly. What a great story.
I'm going to the library next week. Give me some book suggestions. Mommy.
Yes, Dilly?
I know it's somebody. It's done now. Oh. Mommy. That was my little brother. See you later, folks. Have a great weekend. New videos every Saturday.